मैं चाहे तो वो पैसे के लिए कर भी दूँ, लेकिन टेक द मनी गो, आई डू नॉट, एंड मैनेज करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. ऑल्सो द विंटर इज कमिंग. मैं जब भी फिल्म करती हूँ everyone has to honk and it's gonna rain really soon. Okay, really good. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another vlog. So this line I was waiting for so long time now that I am filming a vlog right here for you all. So this, if you don't know, it's gonna be a very chill, relaxing vlog as per I have planned. You never know how it goes. So currently I am writing a script for a brand because I was now as now I'm again back on YouTube, like with full power and potential. So like I don't want to miss any opportunities. So now I'm getting festive seasons are the seasons, like these seasons for all the YouTubers, content creators right there. So the behind the BTS to be told here is that every time, I don't know about rest people, but I have seen many creators as well, they just take the collabs and do it as if they are telling I am using this product since my birth, and although the launch of that brand was like a year ago, okay, then how come? That is something I find, like, why don't you do your research, be transparent with your audience? Otherwise one day or other when they will come to know the fact, and you will be eventually hurting them. Okay, they follow you, they love you because of the honesty, because of what you show them. It's like they believe it. Okay, you guys don't know, that's very much of insights. I took one brand without knowing ki what will be the really motto of the brand and everything. After using, I found that it was a thrust, like full thrust. Okay, so it was full thrust. I used it and they were like, send me the content. They give a certain period of time. Now that I'm not that big creator that they will give me enough luxury of time that do it on your own basis, own time, product को तुम try करो. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा भी है कुछ brands ऐसे हैं जिसके साथ मेरा कनेक्शन बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. वो लोग बोलते कि आप ट्राई करो, फीडबैक दो. दे आर वेरी मच ओपन टू एनी काइंड ऑफ फीडबैक्स दैट वी क्रिएटर्स गिव. But this particular brand, never telling the name and not mentioning it anywhere, wanted to really go out there and say all those good words about the brand, and I was like, I can't. यूज़ करते ही मेरा इतना रिएक्शंस हुआ है फेस पे, इट्स लाइक फुल ब्लोन एक्ने ऑन माई फेस, एंड इट वॉज, माई स्किन वॉज लाइक वेरी ड्राई, पैची ऑन द प्लेसेस आई यूज द प्रोडक्ट. Okay, there's this brand policy. What they say is that if you cannot deliver your content on time, you have to pay for the products that we have given. As like fair and square. As like I just gave the money of the products they have sent me, the cost of all the products they have sent me. I gave the money. It's like, मुझे माफ़ करो, I do not want to do this. So I was like, please मुझे माफ़ करो, take the money and please leave me. मुझे इसके बारे में मेरा टाइम इन्वेस्ट ही नहीं करना है ऐसे कुछ फिल्म करने. ऊपर से चलो इन्वेस्ट तो मैंने कर भी दिया, मेरे ऑडियंस को मुझे ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं दिखाना जो मैं खुद कभी नहीं यूज़ करूँगी. ओके, you guys are my friends, and like for me I have a really small niche. Whoever follows me, almost I know them. Okay, so I do not want to like really, you know, destroy whatever connection we have. I think whoever bought those products are now just doubting their life. But yeah, it was that bad. I don't want to really go into it, but the thing is that जब तुम किसी भी brands को even you allow, please do a fair part of research. Otherwise these days there is products like from the high price, low price, every category. There is so many brands coming out each year, and they are like their marketings, their PRs are so great that often people fall for. So do your research before, even if I tell you do your research, मैं मेरा रिसर्च खुद करके मैं बता रही हूँ, उसके बाद तुम भी यू प्लीज़ कीप इट ओपन, ओके? अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी लाइक आई हैव अ ड्राई स्किन, आई हैव अ सर्टेन टेक्सचर ऑन माई स्किन. सो मैंने मेरे रिसर्च में जो भी मेरे को लगा कि दिस आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट्स टू इन्फॉर्म यू ऑल सो दैट यू कैन रियली लाइक कंसिडर इट बिफोर बाइंग. सो आई डिड माई पार्ट, okay? You have to be very careful. That's my whole motto. So I was just telling you about that I'm writing a script for a brand, and yeah, out of these two brands are there, they just send me peers without expecting anything. That okay, other two brands it's like really on my nerves and trying to get most of it. I understand because they also have this thing कि उनका भी पैसे जा रहे हैं तो अच्छा ही आउटकम आए. तो सबका ही कुछ ना कुछ एक जगह पर इंटेंशंस आर सेम, बट दे आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग, we are also working. This the thing is that experiment being done on us rather than them. If something happens, it will happens to us, and if I show you that, then it will be like full transparency what is happening. If you use this might can happen, and if you use this might can also happen. It's like, you know, other ways. So this is pretty much of it. I will complete it now, then I will go for my breakfast because already they called me to know this brand is pretty good because I worked with them earlier also, and quite famous brand. So yeah, I will figure it out, then I will catch you guys soon. So while having my breakfast, I'm watching Friends series here. My breakfast is pretty simple. It's scrambled eggs and breads, and this is one of the best part in the series, Friends series. I know you all will agree with me. This is so emotional. I just love this scene.
One eternity later.
Okay, so for some time now I wanted to color my hair, and I went through the instructions. So there it said before coloring your hair, your scalp and your hair should be washed properly. So I oil my hair thoroughly so that I can clean it before applying any color on it. And today, so I will be washing my hair, and it's also sunny, so I love so that it can dry quickly. I'll be using this Matrix shampoo right here. It's kind of like I received it as an extras in the PR or the samples, and this is quite interesting. It has this wash 1 to wash 3 for the, like a 3 hair wash days, and I'm really eager to try this one, so I will be doing this one today.
3 hours later.
So for the color, I chose the Be Blunt hair color. This is in the shade called 5.32, and it's supposed to give me like a really light brownish to golden brownish sort of color. I opted for that one because initially my highlight 2 years back was like that, and my hair, to be really honest, it's a little bit of brownish. Like my tips of the hair is not jet black. My upper part of the hair might be black, but not the tips. So I'll be using this hair color today. This is a developer that comes with. Here is the main thing, the main colorant portion, which actually gives you the color, and within the box itself you will be getting another thing, that is the hair tonic. This tonic is supposed to, the shine tonic, this tonic is supposed to make your hair looks very like very shiny and smoothie. And the gloves obviously that you get along with. Also the instructions, I will be following the instruction thoroughly and preparing my bowl for the color thing. So let's start.
10 seconds later.
Okay, so done with the hair coloring situation right here. I understood that this should be done very like pretty fast just after mixing it, don't wait. And yeah, I have some left. I can use it one more time because I used for my, you know, the tips for the tips of my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see how it looks. Though at the tip of my hair I do have the color that I did 2 years back from salon itself, so let's see if the color catches or not. Okay, so I have to keep this one for good 30 minutes to 45 minutes, so I am thinking to do that like the maximum I can keep it so that the color can really get stained. So it's currently 220, 220-ish. Now that I have some time, and I will be decorating this wall right here. Let me show you what I got this time for decorating. This is basically gonna be the backdrop of my videos, the festive. Okay, so I purchased these flowers, these strands right here, marigold flowers jo bhi hai. This one I got from Myntra. It comes the stands like 5 strands. When the brands tell you to do a festive kind of season जैसे चल रहा है उस vibe में video बनाओ, so you need this kind of props. Also ये decoration में भी लग जाता है. These are like pretty big strands, you know, double fold में कितना सा होता है? I think 2 meters maybe. I have to check. And the next one I got this beautiful puja aarti wala thali right here. It's so pretty. See, it's very beautiful. I think it costs me 200-ish if I'm not wrong. So for that price, I think this is the best deal I can grab from Amazon itself. I'll be giving the links in the description. So by the time I have some time, I will redo my nails. I'll be putting the same color. So this is the nail paint I will be reapplying. Who's come? No one.
1 hour later.
Okay, that pretty much of 45 minutes it was in my hair till now. I will be using my favorite Bee Blanc shampoo. This is the anti-dandruff shampoo right here. And I love it. Just it makes my hair feel so smooth and it's just like beautiful.
The next day.
I really hope it fits today. It's so hot right there. So yeah, I will enjoy this view with my hoo-ha right here. Okay, so hello everyone, it's the update. It's the second day of my hair color. Like I did just yesterday itself, and as you can see right here, that is like barely visible, the brown color. I don't know, this part, this later half of my hair is like it was already painted before. I'm not considering that, but if I give you a really closer view, a little tinge of brownish it came, and I was indeed expecting a lighter version than this brown what it came on my black hairs. But anyway, it was a complete disaster this time. It's fine. I was not expecting that much also, to be true, because okay, let me try. If like disaster like this happens, I will go to the salon and fix my hair. I was like okay with that. Fine, it's okay. It's very difficult to manage that time, so I'm thinking to cut my hair smaller and also color my hair like it was before, like I did 2 years back. I'm excited. So even if turn disaster, I'm deep inside happy that I can go to the salon and tell my mom, see, this doesn't came out good, so let me color my hair again. So yeah, that's also a packaging came from Nykaa. I ordered something and okay, so this is the sample thing that they give you, this one. And the main thing, which is I'm so excited to try, you will be seeing me trying very soon. Also, I have ordered a lot of makeups from Nykaa, Tira, Mars, and everything right there. So I'm excited to try. This is a brand new L'Oreal ka. That's all things all over the internet this lipstick is. I'm not giving us watching this vlog itself, but you will soon see it in a short kind of video after me trying it. So yeah, this one icon, not telling you the shade, you will be seeing in the shorts video. Didn't do my nails because I don't have a remover, so I ordered it on Nykaa itself. It will come tomorrow and then I can fix my nails. So it's really bothering me for a long time now. See, it looks so bad. I don't want to show even. Also, if you can see the background, I did जितना मेरे से हो पाया मैंने किया. मैं ऐसे ही बैठ के like the one I'm doing it now, मैं ऐसे ही बैठ के film करती हूँ, so करूँगी rather to say. So that's why I did this decor mini setup kind of thing, and that's pretty much of it. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.